Mitten der kalte Tag du in Williamsburg. Shaya, folks, rief mich herüber. Shaya took mich heim. Come herüber, I have something to show you. Jetzt Shaya weiß, die Grace sagt, sie businesses, show businesses, advertise businesses. Shaya tells me, Chaim, this is not business related. Go to still with that business. This is something that's gonna blow your mind. Shaya?
Come on.
Ze gaat mich, ja?
Yeah.
Blow me?
Yeah.
Let's go inside.
Chaim, come inside. You have no idea what's behind this door.
I don't. Is it an office?
Right.
Is it a...
Zoek dan eens. You'll find out yourself.
Okay, let's go inside,
You're gonna
Shaya.
get blown away.
Shaya, I heard big stuff about you.
I hope you have your suspenders tight.
Kevin, let's go see what Shaya has to show us.
Come inside, Chaim.
No way.
Yes,
What is this? Is that a store? A hardware store?
No, this is the new Williamsburg Koopa showroom.
New Williamsburg Chuppah showroom. No, Kevin, on a serious note, Shaya said, Chaim, come over, I have to show you something. He did not tell me what he's showing me. I knew Shaya is involved in a lot of chasudim and a lot of stuff, chesed organizations, but this, I did not know. What is this? Talk to me, Shaya.
This is what Koopa is.
What is Chuppah? Give the little understanding.
Koopa
here.
helps kallahs who need stuff to get married, to start a new home, dishes, cutlery, pots, linen, pillows, quilts, whatever you need to set up a yiddish home.
So this is all for a kallah who can't afford to go to a regular hardware store to buy out.
It's not only hardware stores, everything to set up the house.
So you have
everything
an organization,
under one roof.
You have an organization called Chuppah, which
Yes.
takes the kallah and gives them everything they need to get married.
That's correct.
And I saw there's no sign outside, like you showed me. There's no sign on the door.
Special.
It's a private location. Nobody has to know.
Every kallah gets their private appointment here by one of our dedicated volunteers. Women that come down with the kallah, they're going to spend about 2 hours. They're going to walk around and choose whatever they want. Whatever they choose, everything is in stock. I'll show you soon in the back. We have still a big stock
What are you
room.
talking about?
And they walk home. They take it out with them.
I have to sit down.
I
have to sit down.
Sit down. We got places
I
to
have
sit.
to grasp the Shaya. No, come on.
We have places to sit. Here's where the kallah actually sits
the
down.
kallah
with
sits
her
down
mother.
there?
Yes. When they finish and they wait for the car service or whatever comes to pick them up with the stuff,
They can
we made
sit
a
over here.
special sitting place for them. They
So
should be
a
comfortable.
kallah gets
Nice.
engaged. Unfortunately, in our circles, it's Martin can geld and somebody they can't afford it.
Right,
They
we're
call up
talking normal families,
Normal families.
working families, they have beautiful families, 10, 12 children, 8 children, and we push through the week, whatever they make a salary, if he's a bus driver, if he's a coiling man, if he's a malamed, or he works in B&H, etc., whatever, he works in a grocery, whatever they do for Panusa, they could pull through the year or the week, but ze kimt zich gassen maken.
That's already choking them.
That's it, so they have no choice, and they turn to Koopa, so we try to make it as the most begovedige
This is unreal. I've
place,
never
a
seen
goedige feeling,
So
they
give me-
shouldn't feel that they are getting tzedukah chas shulem verkeerd, it's help on the most highest goedige way shaykh.
Wow. Give me a run through. So kallah calls up, sends an application.
They apply, we have a number that they call, we have everything is voluntarily based. We have one woman that runs the phone lines. They leave a message, every 2-3 days she hears the message, she calls back and she fills out the application on the phone. No need to go through emails and sending and waiting.
You want to make it the easiest for the
The
kallah.
easiest and the nicest goedige way.
You get the application.
Yes, and they have to supply on the application the roof. And we personally call the roof to screen every single case to make sure that they tackle a family that needs help with the wedding. Once the roof is mamlas that they need, they automatically get approved and they get an appointment at the showroom. We have in Borough Park our showroom.
And
And until now, everybody, the entire New York area, which is Borough Park, Williamsburg, Monroe, Muncie, Staten Island, Flatbush, 5 towns.
You cater to 5 towns.
The whole New York.
Little
comes to
Chassidish,
Borough Park.
Swadische.
Anybody. Now we just opened this location, which is going to
Williamsburg.
be in use as we talk this week.
Wow.
I mean, it's a shame. For the
Unreal.
Williamsburg Kallahs is going to be right here.
Every kallah gets a private appointment.
Private appointment with one of our volunteers. Then we have a whole stack of Chusheva volunteer ladies, and they act as sales ladies. They come down with the kallah and they help them choose, they help them make decisions. It takes about 2 hours till they match up.
Unbelievable, Kevin. Me,
Tablecloth matching to the dishes.
So give me a stickle rundown. We will start from it. This
So we
place is so
start
big.
right here. Come turn around one more time, Chaim.
Turn around one more time. We'll start from
right
here, Kevin.
We'll start with the pots. Every kallah gets stainless steel pots for fleischig. We have 3 companies that they can choose, stainless steel. Faberware, YBM, Milvado. Every pot that they want is displayed right here
Wow, I love this. Who designed
or
this?
right
Shaya?
here. Can't tell you. He's a very expensive designer.
So everything's
They
displayed.
Did it l'shem mitzvah. Every pot they can see, they can feel how it looks, what they want. So they get one set of stainless for fleischig. Then they get for milchig. They can choose Faberware 4 types, either copper, aqua blue, red, or black. Every pot here is displayed here and over there. You see?
2 sections already displayed. Beautiful.
Except for the pots that they get for milchig and fleischig, we also offer in addition a set of frying pans. They could choose either blue or red that they get separate, which is displayed right here.
It's crazy. Next.
And then we start with the dishes. We have, I think, over 30 sets of dishes they can choose. They get a service for 8 for milchig, service for 8 for fleischig.
These are not cheap dishes.
No. This is the most newest modern style, whatever the beautiful stores in Borough Park and Williamsburg carry. This is what we have. Look at, for example, this one is a copy of the Hermes.
What's the Hermes?
Hermes is a very
top company.
It's a designer company. Same as with this one here. This is also a copy of the Hermes.
So you carry the top quality, top designer
You see,
names.
this one is a copy of the Janori.
Okay, so they get to choose dishes,
Then they get
fleischiks.
cutlery. Choose
Cutlery.
service-weight for milchig, service-weight for fleischig, the most expensive, newest, beautiful modern designs that are out there. This cutlery, for example, costs $120 in the store per box. Service for 4, they get 2.
Unreal. Moving along.
Everything is out here in stock. Then they
So
get,
as they walk, they put it in their shopping cart?
that's correct. That's why we have a shopping cart right here. They walk around and they fill up.
They put it in
If
the
it's
shopping
dishes
cart.
now, this is heavy, then we take it out of here, but the small stuff we fill up over there. And then they get cutlery trays to put in the cutlery. They have a choice, either stainless steel or lucite. Then they get drinkware, glassware. Every glass is displayed right over here. They got also 8 glasses, plus mugs for coffee. We have 3 types of mugs because some dishes don't carry mugs with them. So if the kallah chooses dishes that they don't have a mug, they have another choice of 3 mugs. So whatever glassware they choose, everything is right here and they take it with them.
Next.
They have also salt and
shakers.
pepper shakers to choose for milchig and fleischig.
This is a gehirig store, this.
Beautiful.
Not gehirig, this is a gorgeous store.
This is
And
more
you see
than
the
a
kallah
store.
just takes everything over here.
Now we have over here the kitchen towel wall. I think it's 10 or 12 designs. They get 4 kitchen towels to choose, plus they get their blue and red
The
dish towels. And we have in Yiddish the opwestiegel.
opwestiegel.
So we also have 2 kinds. This is the most modern. This is still the old fashioned. They still like it also. So when they have it, they can choose.
insane.
They get garbage cans. We have a few colors to choose. These are the bath towels.
Bath
they get 4
towels.
bed sheets, 2 hand, and a bathroom rug. Wow. We have 2 different designs.
That ironers in the back?
That's ironing boards.
Ironing boards.
We got the most expensive ironing
So
boards.
has legit everything
These
a
are
kallah needs to start a house.
$75 to $80 in the store, each of them. Here are Shabbos tablecloths. For now we have 3. I'm waiting for another one to come.
Shabbos tablecloths.
It's on the boat.
It's on the boat.
Yeah, here we have more kitchen towels. And over there is weekday tablecloths. Look at the selection we have. They got 2 of them to choose. And of course they match it up with the dishes.
Oh, it
that
matches
they
the
take.
dishes.
Yeah, it's a whole avoider.
Unbelievable. Wow.
And here we're going to our linen section. These are all they get mattress protectors, 2 mattress protectors. They can choose 44 inch, 39 inch, or they need 48 inch. We have that also. They get 4 pillows. And they
4
get
pillows.
2 quilts from the best company out there, downright. Look how gorgeous they compact.
So 2 pillows.
Quilts, no, 4 pillows, 2 quilts, 2 mattress protectors.
Unreal.
And then they get pillow protectors. And then we have a whole wall of linen. They get to choose 2 sets of linen, the most nicest, the
Most gorgeous.
gorgeous, was to do the nicest.
The nicest. The
linen
newest
was to do. The newest
design, the
selection.
newest styles.
These cost in the store about $400 a piece.
What are you talking about?
Yes, they got 2 of them. And every set is displayed here, the sheet, plus we have the pillow sheets over there more, so they can see how it looks.
Oh,
They
you
can
have all the
feel
sheets
it.
here?
Everything is here.
Oh, they can feel it. Look at
They can
it.
feel it, see it.
This is insane. Do you have followers that this is all for free? I kallah kim tarandu. You get to choose the highest quality, the highest beautiful.
Let me correct. It's not for free. We ask a few $100s just to make them feel that they gave something that they bought. Not that Khalil Gas took tzedakah. It works very well for their end.
What do you mean? You didn't always charge?
For years we gave everything for free. The past few years, the Rabbunim and Askunim advised us to take a few $100s from them, so
They
it
feel that
feels
they could.
better,
They
yes.
feel better. They feel like they're
They
actually
feel like
shopping.
they bought something. Not
So you what do you charge them? A couple $100?
$650.
$650.
Yeah,
They walk out with
it doesn't
thousands.
even cover the pillows and quilts and the linen.
And they walk out
They
with
walk
over
out with over $5,000 worth.
unreal. So you're saying you do it just to, and if they can't afford that $650,
Then
Just let-
we have. I just had it this week.
you're saying that $650 is for them to feel good.
They don't have.
Wow.
This is the
Brooms, dustpans, sponges,
and mops, and
mops.
pails.
Negerwasserschüssel.
Negerwasserschüssler.
Unreal.
Oh, here's the stockroom that we have. Whatever you didn't see over there displayed, we have a full stockroom over here. Everything is there.
Not normal.
We have a kitchenette area, so while the kallahs here with the mother, if they want, they can make a coffee, get a
Coffee,
drink.
nash, chocolates,
Nash, correct, candies. And here's a wall of all the kitchen gadgets.
measuring cups, brushes, knives.
All types of knives, blue, red, colored, can openers, spatulas,
Wow. You get to choose everything.
stainless steel.
Stainless steel. Unreal.
We're not finished yet, Chaim. We still have one wall. This is the wall of the small appliances.
Ironers.
So they got irons, they got hand blenders,
Hand blenders.
hand mixers, a choice either black or white. Crackpots, they have a choice either 4.5 stainless or a 6 quart.
What are you talking about?
They got whisks to make the sourdough challah.
Oh,
And here they get to choose, not to choose, they get mixing bowl, stainless steel, 3 sizes. They got one small, one medium, and we have in the back the large. Here are cutting boards, they have a choice either wood or this one.
unreal.
Pasta strainers here.
What are you talking about? Yeah, brawn mixers.
Yeah, Braun food processors.
Sorry, bros.
This is one of the most expensive
quality,
items.
top
Yes,
quality.
yes. This is also top quality
Hot water pot.
Unilux, percolators.
Percolators.
And then when they get 2 Betty
Betty
crackers.
crackers.
They got a red one and they got a white one for milchig, one for fleischig. These are the kushere with ashguche. The
Strainer, the,
no, these are
sifters.
sifters for the challah.
Sifters for the kallah.
The expensive pieces.
Strainers for the pasta.
And we got this also, a very, very top quality.
For the acai bowls. For the
Whatever they wanna
juice machine. Shaya, you blew me away, Shaya. I can't believe it. How many years do you have this organization open for?
So around 15 years already, but now in
15
Williamsburg.
years. Now you just open in Williamsburg, brand new. Chevra, do you see what our Kallah Yisrael does?
Yeah, Baruch Hashem. We help a few hundred kallahs a year.
A few hundred
kallahs a year.
And you said from all communities?
All communities in the entire New York area.
5 towns, Flatbush, Borough Park, Williamsburg, Staten Island.
Monroe, Muncie. Kimat Sefour from Monroe, Bizaher.
Unreal.
Over $1 million.
Over $1 million budget a year?
Yes, it keeps on going up because now with the tariffs, everything is going up. Everything.
What happened before
That's except with the deals that we have with a bunch of companies. A lot of companies are yiddish companies and they're shit from with us in the mitzvah. They give us for cost price, but even their cost keeps on going up.
Wow. I don't understand. How did a kallah pull it off before?
Can't answer you.
Unbelievable.
It's a very, very big question that I don't have an answer.
Shaya, the mitzvah that you have, I mean, the sipik you have probably, you get a lot of feedback from families that...
We came out invitations.
Invitations to Chassanas.
Kallahs.
And they write letters in it?
Most of the invitations have a beautiful, beautiful letter attached to it or on the invitation with how appreciated they are. And I would say most of the letters have the same line, which I saw, I realized, how bekovedik they felt and how volunteers made them feel so special. So they didn't have that feeling that they are getting most every letter. Wow. Of course, whenever I get a letter, I send it out to all the volunteers, let them get the sipik and the chizuk because they do the job. They come down with the kallahs. I get a lot of phone calls. Yeah, I just put on the phone recently this week with a mother from Yisoyme, kallah Yisoyme, and she just started crying on the phone. She couldn't even talk. She looked fine, it's good.
Wow.
And Baruch Hashem, I'm glad she's happy.
Unreal.
It is what it is.
What if Shaya, somebody wants to be a shittif with you? They want to sponsor a kallah. They make chasna, they say...
Look at this place. This is one of our shittim. Can't say a name, but...
What do you mean, this person gave the space for free?
This is a chusha Williamsburg shittif, correct.
Unreal.
Yes. So everybody could be a shittif. We're always looking for shittim.
Shaya, what's the phone number to reach out if someone wants to be a shittif?
They could call me privately.
What's your number?
My cell phone?
Yeah.
Shaya, who doesn't know my cell phone? It doesn't stop. 917-544-6170. Want to sponsor a kallah, feel free. It's about $3,600 a kallah, the cost what we pay. They walk out from here with over $5,000, as we spoke before.
Wow.
We only ask them for $650, and if they don't have it, we help them either way anyway.
Wow. And you have the ladies who don't get paid? The ladies who...
Everything is volunteers.
All volunteers?
Everything is volunteers. As a matter of fact, I kept on getting phone calls the past 3 weeks. I have no idea how the word got out from Williamsburg ladies. I don't even know who they are. Hi, Mr. Fuchs, I hear you opening up a showroom in Williamsburg. I'm looking for a job. And I keep on telling them, we don't have jobs. Everything here is a volunteer. So I can be good volunteer. I have a lot of time. So, okay, so I told them to call me back in 2 weeks. But Baruch Hashem, we have already a crew of volunteers ready.
Wow.
And starting this week already. We have it scheduled.
This week they're starting the first kallah here in Williamsburg, sells the food. It's also gorgeous design. No, they feel like they're walking into a high-end, beautiful showroom. Kallah showroom.
Came out super clean.
Nothing is missing here. You have separate
separate
I can't do because I advertise for a lot of legit stores and showrooms, but this is
this is not a store. This is the stores let them make panusik. It's inside.
No, but this is gorgeous. Stunning Shaya. Shaya, da habe ich gegeben, alles was du darfst. Koyach, gesinnt, Bruche to continue your...
Look at this guy. This is a brand new set that just came out this month. It's bone china.
Wow.
Feel it. You see my fingers? How do you know if it's bone china or if it's porcelain?
Yeah, we see
through the finger through the light, that means it's bone china.
Shaya, bist am even auch.
You have to know it.
Shaya, kallah kovid, keep it up. Chevra, become a shit with Shaya. This blew me away, and I'm sure if you come down here, I don't know if you, Shaya, but if somebody can get connections, I'm sure if you donate enough money, Shaya, bring you down, this will blow you away.
Call Chaim. I will take you.
Chevra, had ze maar lichting als je zit.